Today we're going to look at this question. Describe how to use 0.5 molarity calcium nitrate solution to prepare 50 milliliters of 2.5 times 10 to the negative 2 molarity calcium nitrate solution. Describe how to prepare the solution by using calcium nitrate crystals. You will need to determine how many grams to use. First, we need to use our concentration to volume equation. So we have concentration 1, we have concentration 2, and we have volume 2. Okay, so we just need to find volume 1 to begin. All right, volume 1 is going to equal 2.5 times 10 to the negative 2 molarity times 50 milliliters divided by 0.500 molarity. So molarity is going to cancel, and doing the math for that, you end up with 2.5 milliliters of the 0.500 molarity calcium nitrate solution. So this number here is very important. We're going to need this later. What we need to do is to use our concentration and volumes as conversion factors in this problem. So another thing we need to know is molarity equals moles per liter. Okay, so let's look 0.500 moles per liter of calcium nitrate. We are going to begin by converting moles into grams. And to do that, we use the molar mass. So for every 1 mole of calcium nitrate, we are going to get 164.088 grams of calcium nitrate. Now, we're in grams, we need to go from liters to milliliters. So for every 10 to the negative 3 liter, we get 1 milliliter. Okay, so now we are out of moles, we're in grams, and we're out of liters, and we're in milliliters. Now we're going to take our 2.5 milliliters and multiply it by this conversion, and that will end up canceling our milliliters. Now we are only in grams, and then we multiply across, and what we end up getting is 0.205 grams, and then rounding we end up with 0.21 grams of calcium nitrate in this 0.500 molarity solution. All we need to do is just dilute from this 2.5 milliliter solution until we get to 50 milliliters, and then that will give us the correct concentration of 2.5 times 10 to the negative 2 molarity. And that's it. That's how you answer this question. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.